Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the summary of the chapter 10 Running Away, written by H.G. Wells. So, now we are going to see the summary. When Martians arrive the earth, most people think that they have came here to visit our planet, but the Martians flash a green light and kill the people and destroy the forest. However, the narrator safely sent his family to another village and came back thinking that his country's army will save all of them. But at the way, a green light fire flashed on it, and when the narrator saw it was the enormous thing, means the third Martian. He terrified, his horse raced, and as he was racing fast to see the Martian, he panicked. He just drove and pulled the horse cart at the right side. By this, that the cart toppled over on its side and he fell into a shallow pool of water. He crawled and hid near under a bush and his horse ran away. Luckily, the Martians, that enormous machine, couldn't see me that I am there, so I ran towards the forest, stumbling through the darkness, and then I entered to my house and I went to my study and see from the window. The whole country was on the fire. Even I couldn't see the tower of Orient College. The fierce chaos had once and the country was ablaze. So I started thinking that these green Martians, are they intelligent machine, or the Martians are sitting inside it and they are using it as a robot. At the same time, I saw one of the soldiers who was coming from my fence. I called him inside and then he and I was talking and he was telling me that he came with his army person to talk with the Martians, but they didn't talk and they tried to destroy them also. By talking to him, it was the morning, and when we saw outside, the all three Martians were there as they were examining what the damage they had done. Okay, students, this was the summary. Now we will see the question answers.
Good morning students and welcome to the class. As we have completed our chapter number 10, Running Away. It was a science fictional story and we have done the short words and words meaning. Explanation also we have just seen and the summary also. Now it's a time for question answer. So the first question is, see on the board, the first question is running away is an extract from which science fiction? As I have explained you in the chapter that it is a science fiction and it is a small part, means extract of it. Yes, of which fiction? Running away is an extract of, yes, the War of the World. The War of the World. As will also come here, the War of the Worlds. Okay, as will also come. The War of the Worlds. Okay. This is a science fiction and a small part is in our book named as Running Away. Okay, understand? अंडरस्टैंड फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन कि रनिंग अवे जो चैप्टर है वो कौन से साइंस फिक्शन का एक छोटा पार्ट है, द वॉर ऑफ द वर्ड्स। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, हु इज द writer of an extract running away? As we have read the chapter running away, now you have to tell who is the writer of this chapter. Yes, the name is H.G. Wells and the full name is Herbert George Wells. What's the full name? Herbert George Wells. We just say him H.G. Wells. Understand? Writer is Herbert George Wells. Then question number 3, who is known as the father of science fiction? Means who is known as the father of science fiction? And I have told you in the chapter that H.G. Wells and Jules Verne, these both considered as the father of science fiction because they have written a lot of science fiction stories. Okay, father of science fiction, who knows? H.G. Wells, who is the writer of Running Away, and Jules Verne. Jules Verne. These both are known as the father of science fiction. Understand? Now we will see question number 4. Yes, question number 4. Name another notable science fiction of H.G. Wells other than War of Words. This chapter Running Away is an extract of War of Words. Now you have to tell more extract or more fiction stories by the H.G. Wells. H.G. Wells जो राइटर है उनके द्वारा लिखी हुई बाकी कोई दूसरी को आपको फिक्शन स्टोरीज के नेम बताने हैं। The one is The Time Machine. This is also written by H.G. Wells. And The Island of Dr. Moreau. The Island of Dr. Moreau. These both fiction stories also written by H.G. Wells. Now question number 5. Name the bridge mentioned in the chapter Running Away. As we have read the chapter and you have to tell the name of the bridge which is mentioned in this chapter. The name of the bridge is Maybury Bridge. What is the name of bridge? Maybury Bridge. After that, question number 6. What did the narrator notice moving down quickly in the opposite direction of him? When the narrator was just moving in his horse cart, he just saw from the opposite side something quickly coming from the opposite side. What was that? Yes, that was the enormous tripod. A very big tripod was coming through the opposite direction of the hill. Enormous tripod. What was coming? Enormous tripod. Okay, understand? These are the 6 questions that you have to do in your notebook in very good handwriting. And one thing more, that you have to draw this picture also. This one or this one, which you want to draw, you can draw in your notebook. Okay? Of this Martin also the tripod. This is your homework. Okay students, thank you.